Cristiano Ronaldo, still playing. So let's draw another portrait of Cristiano Ronaldo. Portrait of him looking forward, kind of a profile pic. Haven't done one of these in a while. So let's go, landscape page, pencil eraser. Hit pause or go too fast. This would work on a portrait page as well. You just might lose some of his shoulders, that's all. So let us go. Start with his eyes. So we're just center point of my page about here. I'd say his nose will be there. We'll just come above the halfway point and start with his eyes. So we'll just go across the top, curve it over and down. And add some eyelashes to this. Because he does have big eyelashes, Cristiano. Right, and a spiky tear duct, and then this comes down. Around it, up into the corner of his eye again. And he's got like a line in there. Right, and then iris, circle, coming down, touches the bottom eyelid. And then I'll just go back up to there. And then his pupil, just somewhere in the middle. And then eyelashes on the bottom a little bit there, and maybe like a slight bag underneath his eyes, like just the dotted line. So his top eyelid line is up here, and then over, kind of flat, and then down the back. Like so. Right, some big eyebrows. So big formed sort of eyebrows, kind of hairy at the front. And then we just bring them back this way. And down. And then on top. Like so. You can put textures inside if you want, you know, you can do more hair on there. You don't have to. And there's just a little sort of line for the start of the bridge of his nose, kind of like roughly just going down that way. He's got a thin bridge, but a wide bottom part of his nose. But we'll go over and do the other eye first. So you measure his eye, come over that much, and that's the distance between tear ducts. So between the insides of his eye. All right, so you have a tear duct here then. So that distance is about the same as that. And then we'll go over. And across the top. And down. And then the bottom eyelid. in there. Do, 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 do. Okay, so we got like eyelashes down the bottom as well. And then kind of like bags underneath his eyes. And then the top eyelid line. That again, and then iris just inside, so big brown eyes. And then his pupil in the middle. And then big eyebrow again. Kind of hairy at the front. And then it starts to go back. Okay, so kind of like sides of his hand, and then his nose. Yeah, like the bridge of his nose again. Kind of just comes down this way. Kind of narrow. You don't need to draw too much for noses, you know, they're kind of shadowy objects, so too much lines can kind of mess it up. So maybe just that for the minute. And then we'll add his nostrils just down here. So we'll just do 2 bumps. Right? And then you join them together sort of with a little V in the middle. Or a bump even, just like a turn that way. And then we'll add the black shadows to make them look like holes. And then the skin of his nostrils just on the side. You know, and sometimes there might be like some extra little sort of hatching lines and stuff just to show the tip of the nose. You know, just coming across. Just stuff like that here on his. Right, but I wouldn't maybe draw much more than that. That's probably enough. And he has, oh, he has a freckle like right by his nose there. Okay, so his mouth. So it's just a standard downturn sort of mouth. Starting sort of underneath his eye there, the inside of his eye. His iris, the colour part of your eye. Comes across and you're drawing sort of the handle of a bow and arrow. That's what I always think of. You know, if the arrow was coming through here and you had a string down here. That's what I always think of anyway. And his bottom lip, it's kind of flat along the bottom. So it kind of goes, doesn't touch the corners really. It's like he has pale skin in the corners. It kind of sticks out down there. And then his top lip. Curves down that way. And then maybe like a little bit of a top lip thing there. Right, and then his chin. He's a strong chin, right? Like, and his jaw and his chin nearly form together, sort of like his jaw. He's like very wide jaw, basically. It was wider when he was younger. But say if we went so like out this way. Very wide, sort of up. Like it's very round. Muscle on the side of his face. Looks very strong. And then like his cheekbone kind of sticks out here. Just beside the ear. So then this starts to become his sideburn for his hair. So he's got like a V here just at the top of his ear, and it's kind of like zigzag lines going up for the hairline. And then his ear will come out, just here. It's kind of like in line with the bottom eyelid, maybe. Down that way. Same on this side. And then we have ear lines inside. He's got piercing lines, piercing holes just where his earrings go. And then like the side of his head basically goes that way. And then the hairline just comes in. Across his head then. This is sort of the Ronaldo with the slicked back hair. We get like some bumps across here just for his forehead as well. And then like, so his hair, so it's very sort of slicked back, right? So like it's combed, there's a part in it, say, like here. So it like goes one way and then the other. And so this side then sort of bumps back this way then. Okay, so that's the hair, pretty much. Sort of combed, slick back hair. Right, and then neck. So very strong neck on Cristiano, as wide as his jaw. Down that way. And then going in here, we get an Adam's apple. There's like another, like above his Adam's apple sticks out real far. So there's like another piece of skin or something like on his neck there. You don't have to do that, obviously. But it's just, you can see a sort of a shadow sort of in there. And then his trapezius starts to go down that way. And then his Portuguese green collar. You could do any color. You could do a Real Madrid color, Man United, depending on your club affiliation. But this is a Portuguese jersey I'm drawing anyway. And then the shoulders just go off this way. But there he is, the greatest of all time. Messi fans going crazy right now. Messi's, obviously, they're both. I think they, like, it's hard to pick, isn't it? I know some people would be like, no, it's Cristiano. I can't pick. Messi was amazing. Ronaldo is still amazing. Because he's even playing still. Is Messi still playing? I don't know. Anyway, hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.